What if your next teacher wasn't a person but an artificial intelligence that knows your strengths, weaknesses, and learning pace better than anyone? Today we uncover how AI is reshaping the classroom, from personalized tutoring to automated grading, and even predictive analytics that could change how students learn forever. Whether it's a revolution for education or a risk to traditional learning, we'll break it all down in today's deep dive. If you're passionate about how technology is rewriting the future of learning, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more cutting-edge insights every week right here. 1. Personalized learning at scale. AI enables tailored learning experiences by adapting to individual student abilities and preferences. Intelligent algorithms assess progress and recommend resources suited to each learner's pace. This customization helps close knowledge gaps and keeps students engaged longer. Platforms like adaptive learning apps modify content dynamically based on performance. Struggling students receive extra practice, while advanced learners accelerate faster. Teachers gain real-time insights into class-wide trends and individual needs. 2. Automated grading and assessment. AI automates the time-consuming task of grading assignments and tests quickly and accurately. Machine learning models evaluate essays, quizzes, and even complex projects with consistency. This reduces teacher workload, allowing educators to focus more on instruction. Instant feedback helps students correct mistakes faster and learn more efficiently. AI can analyze patterns in student responses to pinpoint common misconceptions. Automated assessments offer objective scoring without human bias. Over time, these systems improve through exposure to diverse student work. 3. Virtual tutors and study companions. AI-powered virtual tutors provide 24/7 academic support, guiding students outside traditional classroom hours. These intelligent assistants answer questions, explain concepts, and offer practice problems instantly. Natural language processing allows human-like, interactive dialogues with learners. Virtual tutors adapt explanations based on student comprehension levels. They deliver content through text, voice, and visual aids for diverse learning styles. Personalized study plans and progress tracking enhance long-term retention. Students benefit from on-demand help without scheduling constraints. These companions reduce reliance on expensive private tutoring services. 4. Predictive analytics for student success. AI analyzes historical data to forecast student performance and identify at-risk learners early. Predictive models assess attendance, grades, and engagement patterns to flag potential dropouts. Educators receive actionable insights to intervene with timely support strategies. Schools use analytics to optimize curriculum design and resource allocation. Data-driven predictions inform personalized learning paths and career recommendations. Early identification helps address academic and emotional challenges proactively. 5. Intelligent content creation. AI generates dynamic educational content, such as quizzes, flashcards, and interactive simulations. Natural language generation creates readable summaries and explanations from complex materials. Automated translation tools break language barriers for multilingual learners. Content is updated rapidly to reflect current knowledge and curriculum standards. AI curates resources from vast databases to align with student needs. Educators save time designing lessons with AI-assisted authoring platforms. Interactive content enhances engagement and deepens understanding across subjects. 6. Smart classrooms and learning environments. AI integrates with smart classroom technologies to enhance collaborative learning experiences. Intelligent sensors monitor attendance, participation, and engagement levels in real time. Automated systems adjust lighting, sound, and digital displays for optimal focus. Interactive whiteboards and AI-driven assistants facilitate dynamic group activities. Real-time analytics inform teachers about class comprehension instantly. Voice control devices streamline administrative tasks and resource management. AI tools foster hybrid and blended learning models seamlessly. 7. Teacher support and professional development. AI assists educators with personalized professional development recommendations based on teaching performance. Intelligent systems suggest training modules, resources, and pedagogical strategies tailored to classroom needs. AI-powered analytics highlight strengths and areas for improvement transparently. Automated feedback tools streamline lesson planning and curriculum alignment. Virtual coaching platforms offer real-time mentoring and collaboration opportunities. Teachers access data dashboards to monitor student progress efficiently. AI reduces administrative burden, freeing time for creative instruction. 8. Accessibility and inclusion in education. AI-driven tools enhance accessibility for students with disabilities and diverse learning needs. Speech recognition enables voice-activated interactions and real-time transcription services. Text-to-speech and visual recognition support learners with visual or auditory impairments. AI translates materials into multiple languages and formats instantly. Adaptive technologies adjust content presentation for cognitive and physical challenges. Personalized interfaces cater to individual accessibility preferences seamlessly. Virtual reality and AI combine to simulate experiential learning for all abilities. 9. Data privacy and ethical concerns. AI's reliance on vast amounts of student data raises critical privacy and security questions. Sensitive information, if misused, could compromise individual rights and safety. Ethical considerations arise around data ownership, consent, and algorithmic bias. Transparent policies and robust cybersecurity measures are essential safeguards. Educators must balance innovation with responsible data stewardship. AI developers are called to ensure fairness, accountability, and explainability in systems. Continuous dialogue between stakeholders addresses evolving ethical dilemmas. 10. The future of AI in education. Emerging AI innovations promise even more transformative impacts on learning ecosystems. Lifelong learning platforms powered by AI will support continuous skill acquisition. Intelligent career counselors will guide students toward evolving job markets. AI-driven creativity tools will foster interdisciplinary thinking and innovation. Virtual and augmented reality combined with AI will enable immersive global classrooms. Decentralized education models may empower learners with self-paced credential pathways. As we've seen, artificial intelligence holds immense promise to revolutionize education, making learning more personal, accessible, and engaging for all. Yet, with every innovation comes responsibility, and it's clear that how we design, deploy. If you're ready to keep exploring how technology is reshaping our lives and how to navigate its benefits and risks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more insightful journeys into tech and innovation ahead, and we love to have you with us every step of the way.